on you which you could use in a criminal offence or whatever you were doing up here today.
Okay, and if I refuse to let you search me, then what?
Well, then you're obstructing police. We have the right to search you.
And then what are you going to do? Are you going to arrest me?
We can arrest you. Look, I'm
Are you going to arrest me?
No.
Aaron Lambert was simply walking and talking to his daughter on her birthday near a police station when officers suddenly stopped him. They claimed they had the right to search him under Article 3-5A, but gave no proof of any crime. Aaron, confused and frustrated, questioned why he was being treated like a suspect when he was just on the phone. The situation quickly escalated as officers grabbed his arm and insisted on searching him despite his protests.
My name is Aaron Lambert. What's your name?
Mine's Constable Kurt.
What's your name?
Constable.
What's your name? So I've been on the phone to my daughter because it's her birthday, walking up and down here, and you got a police station right there, and you got an old army base right there.
Sorry.
And you've had a call that I was looking to a police station, which I told you I wasn't. I was on the phone, and now you're stopping me and you're searching me under what ground?
Article 3-5 apiece, and I confirmed with you.
And what does that mean? Can you explain what that is?
It means that we have the right to search you for anything on you which you could use in a criminal offence or whatever you were doing up here today.
Okay, and if I refuse to let you search me, then what?
Well, then you're obstructing police. We have the right to search you.
And then what are you going to do? Are you going to arrest me?
We can arrest you. Look, I'm
Are you going to arrest me?
No.
No, so I refuse to let you search me now.
Minimum force can be used.
Okay, Justin, hold that. That camera's on for my safety. Going far with my body. No, I'm not going to go around the
That's okay. Do you privacy from people out on the main road, trying over there?
I haven't got a previous for drug. There's no reason for you to search. So explain to me the ground, to the pace. What is the pace? That's because the gym I'm working at is right next door to a police station. I understand that fine, and I'm not disputing that. I understand that, okay? No, listen to me. The gym that I've been paid to come and train people at happens to be next to a police station, okay? I was on the phone to my daughter, FaceTiming, and then my friend. So I can prove that on my phone. That's okay. I can prove it on my phone I haven't been taking pictures. There's no criminal offence taking place. I have no guns on me, I have no weapons on me, I have no drugs on me. There is no, if you didn't say that, and you're not accusing me of that, you have no right to search me.
So at least me.
So that's it. You can't just stop and search somebody just because they're walking up and down a police station. You can. Because it's disused.
No, it's not. No, it's not. I'm still used for pediatrics.
I don't know that. I'm Clinton, right? I'm just on the phone holding my phone
Sir,
and FaceTime my daughter.
Sir, there is notices on the gate stating that it's still used for cadets purposes, okay?
Right, so what's
Alright?
that?
And you've been reported walking up and down here on a phone. Outside
So you go on a phone
Right.
outside a police station or an army cadets place, not even an army base, and you've got the right to stop and search somebody, really?
Yeah.
That's a little bit over the top, don't you think?
You are. You've given it before, all right? Listen, you're just threatening the area.
You're right, and I don't know who you are, and you've already asked me around the corner twice, and you've got guns and no cameras.
When we do it, we have to give them the right to do it.
I need to search me.
unfortunately, sir, that's going to happen.
Okay, well I'm within my rights, and the camera's on for my... I've
That's
done
no
nothing
problem.
wrong, I'm a
You
guest
are.
in this
Yourself.
country, I'm a guest in this country, and I'm upset and I'm embarrassed, taking these off from other colleague outside my friend's business, and I've been on the phone with my daughter. It's a little bit... You're going over the top, you know you're going. Behind me. You're not certain, I'm nothing. You know what, I'm going to take the threat and I'm walking away from this situation. I'm going to
We detailed search on the place, okay? The search is going to happen now on the 3-5. Alright?
Let go, bro. Let go, man. I'm going to ask you very calmly and nicely, is that going my arm, please?
Yeah?
No reason to restrict. I'm not being aggressive. I haven't sworn at you. I haven't shouted at you. Have I been aggressive towards you?
That's why we're not being aggressive towards you, sir.
Right, so I'm asking you very nicely and very calmly. I'm not threatening you. Get your arm off my arm. Get your arm off my
We're
arm.
searching now, sir. Yeah? Right, you're getting the case. Right? Once the search is completed, my colleague will fill in to give him a copy of it, okay?
No need.
Are you going to comply,
I'm
sir?
not being aggressive with you.
Are you going to
You're on
comply?
camera. I'm saying to you, I'm no threat to you. I'm not being aggressive.
Are you going to comply?
I'm not being aggressive with you. I'm not being aggressive with you. Let go of my arm,
Right.
and then we can move forward. Until you let go of my arm, I'm not going to be
Sir, I haven't sworn you.
No, I'm going to start getting annoyed. Don't put your hand on
You're
me.
in a public place.
Don't put your hand on me again.
End up getting
ever put your hand on me again.
Look, sir, you're not here. Sir,
I'm telling you.
Yeah?
I'm telling you, do not put your hand on me
You're not
again.
here, sir, there's not here. Yeah? The colleague on the ready to take you. You will be let the search in the face. Yeah? Keep on the face. Alright? That's going to be yourself. The colleague here to search you.
Say you treat every visitor in your country, grab over their arm just because they're walking on the phone box. Probably looking for Alpha 85's just. Huh? I ain't taking me fucking top off. You'd have to fucking put me on the fuck off.
You haven't been asked for your search as well, sir. Get tough. Search isn't get tough. You're not taking my top off. Are you mad? So why are you asking about my t-shirt for? You've checked me pockets. You've checked me pockets. So move out my way. Move out my way. You search me. Are you finished the search?
12 months a day to get a copy of the search record.
After a heated exchange, the officers completed the search, found nothing illegal, and gave Aaron a copy of the search record. Angry and embarrassed, Aaron walked away feeling disrespected and targeted simply for being near a police station. His last words showed his frustration, calling the treatment pathetic and questioning how visitors are handled in that country. This video leaves a powerful reminder. Even an ordinary walk can turn confrontational when authorities overstep boundaries. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Here is another
In
case.
this video, officers question whether he really works there and claim suspicious behavior. Even though Aaron proves he is off duty, the situation escalates as he is harassed, followed, and blocked from leaving by his car. The footage captures the frustration and confusion of an ordinary day turning into a stressful encounter with authority.
Are you able to confirm it with me?
Yeah, we're still at the subject. So this is where it gets kind of interesting.
I'm sorry, can you go again?
Yeah, we're still at the subject outside Nordstrom's.
Okay, I need you to confirm the plate as well. Thank you.
See, because you obviously don't work at Nordstrom's.
Oh, I don't.
That means that you
I
lied to me.
obviously don't work at Nordstrom's. And
Right.
you know this because you know my life?
No, but you don't work there.
And how can you confirm that? What makes you believe I don't work there?
Because you walked in and walked out.
That's because I'm off.
Do you work there?
That's because I'm off. I start at 5 in the morning.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's just chat and figure out what's going on.
I can't. I have places to go,
You didn't go.
places to be.
Didn't go. I'm not
Well, I
detaining
can't.
you.
I can't with your car there, honestly.
You can back up. You know how this game is played.
I do. And I want you to get your lieutenant or your captain, whoever's down here,
Whoever.
because this is harassment.
No.
This is
actually,
harassment.
It's not.
You're outside. You're standing outside my work. You're harassing
I'm about
me.
to go in and talk to security about you too.
Oh yeah.
That's my name.
That's your name. That's okay. I have it on video camera.
Okay.
I have you on video camera.
And I haven't been anything but nice to you.
You haven't been anything but harassing to me.
Okay.
Following me around my workplace, saying that I stole a car.
No, I didn't say that.
That's what you claimed when you
No,
first approached
I said
me.
it was suspicious.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
What else was suspicious? That I just walked into my place of work and walked back out?
That you walked into a store and you walked back out. I don't know that you worked there yet. You haven't confirmed anything to me.
I don't need to.
That's right. Yeah, you don't. Okay.
I need you to move your car so I can get going.
You don't.
You're gonna make me late.
Go ahead. I'm not detaining
I
you.
can't move my car without you backing your car out.
If you can't get your car out of there, you probably shouldn't be driving. And that is a little bit sarcastic, but there's plenty of room for you to leave.
After repeated questioning, sarcastic remarks, intense exchanges, Aaron finally leaves the scene. No criminal activity occurred, yet he experienced harassment and intimidation simply for being in the wrong place at the wrong time. This encounter shows how routine activities can escalate into stressful situations when authority overreaches, reminding everyone of the importance of knowing personal rights and standing firm in difficult moments. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.